Alright, let's move on to adding our pages. I will start by creating the homepage. This will be my main page. For this page, I will disable the subheader and content top padding since I won't be needing those on any of the main pages. In the project, I also had inner pages for therapies, about, FAQ and contact. So let's go ahead and add those as well. Now that all the pages are in place, I will head over to the global WordPress settings to set the homepage I just created as the default front page. Next, I will apply some predefined image size settings under the media section. These are the values that have worked well for me across different projects, but I highly encourage you to experiment and adjust them to fit your specific needs or project requirements.